Hello and welcome to ProMaxPower, where we specialize in two-way radio accessories. Today we'll be showing you our HDC dual muff headsets. The left earmuff features a tactile red push-to-talk button. It has a strong behind-the-head metal band. The boom microphone is noise-canceling and features a gooseneck that can be bent and shaped. And the top headband is lined with Velcro that can be tightened or loosened. Each headset comes with a matching 5-pin connector that's compatible with either Motorola or Kenwood. The coiled connector features an inline PTT button that can rotate and has a 3.5mm audio jack. For Motorola and Kenwood 2-pin radios, we do have a straight cable available. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and be sure to check out our website.